Now, in the home menu, there is another option of changing the case. You can select your word, you can select the text, and you can go to the home menu. From the home menu, there is an option for changing the case. Which are the different options? You can change the sentence case, you can change to the lower case, upper case, okay, then toggle case. Select the text, go to the home menu, select which case you want to make. After this, we will see the alignment. How to make alignment within the word. There are different options: left alignment, right alignment, center, and the justify. Now where it is, you have to go to the home menu. From the home menu, these are the options. This is what alignment options available. You can use the Ctrl as the shortcut key for align the text to the left. Is it fine? Next. Okay. Now all we have covered till now is the formatting of the text. Now we will see how to make the page layout and formatting of that particular page.